A friend always asked me this, that he wanted to convert numbers into text. Let's try this in this video. There is a function which converts numbers into Thai currency, Baht. The function name is BAHTTEXT. This function converts the numbers into Thai currency. The output will be in Thai language. So we will be using translate function to convert the output from Thai language to English. All the numbers end with Thai currency, Baht. So we will use substitute function to convert the word Baht into a text only. Since the substitute function is case sensitive, we will use the function twice, for lowercase and uppercase. Once we got our desired output, we can combine the formula into one cell. Hope you like this video. Comment your feedbacks, like, share and subscribe.